Today we're going to measure the land. This is like around 17 area for Mr. Brodie and his father. So we're going to make this land into 4 parts. We're going to divide it into 4 blocks. And today we're going to measure if it's exactly like the plan set on the certificate. So they would like to know. So Brodie and his father and maybe his friend also that's going to be put the investment on this land. Let's do the check first. We already measured the site using theodolite, so we got exactly the size of the land. So we're gonna compare it with the file that we get from the certificate of the size of the land. So I think we are done already. We're gonna get the file first and gonna send it to the client so they can check the land that they rent or they lease is exactly the same as the certificate said. Plus the area maybe around more or less or equal like the certificate. For example, just like that, your building is like L shape like that, and we put here the entrance a little bit like that. So this is the parking area here, and you can put the pool here in this part, attach to the wall and make some deck here. There's an access.
Yeah, and you have a deck coming off that one as well.
So that.
Yeah.
So this is going to be the building.
So double story.
Double story, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the labor here, you're already blocking there. So the sun from here goes to here.
So I don't want to have
Open, enclosed living.
yeah, I want to enclose.
The lounge and kitchen.
Yeah.
The roof also, because what is the most important part in the building that look nice is the roof part.
The roof.
The roof, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the hair, you know.
Yeah.
It's like you want a traditional look or just a simple one.
Or a skillion roof.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's gonna make your property look nice, looks very nice. And also just to remember, what the things that cannot work here in Bali because it's tropical. The rains is not goes just like this, but can be like this, you know.
Yeah.
The degrees. So we have to a little bit owning.
Yeah.
Overlapping on the top bit also.
Yeah.
So you can't have box gutters coming off shallow pitch.
Sometimes if you see all the pillar here, if you see they use a small roof part, not overlap too much. It's in the normal day, not raining, it's okay. But if it's like a rainy season, remember we have like half of year for the rainy season.
Yes.
Just gonna make you very dizzy about the leaks and stuff.
Aluminum.
Yeah.
Because it's precision, you know. You know the problem we be facing with using the new wood right now is can be small, getting if it hits cold hit like that, it's gonna be the density like getting small or getting bigger.
Yeah.
It's always moving.
Do you have sliding doors here?
Sorry,
You know,
sliding.
back in Australia we have a door that slides. You know, you walk in and there's like home, and you just slide the door and you can lock it. I do have them. Because I kind of like that.
Yeah, we can do that.
You've got sliding doors on yours.
Sliding is better than folding. The folding is problem is using
But they're timber.
Yeah, you can get steel.
Yeah.
Maybe combine. You can combine something to look nice. Like the main entrance, maybe the gate you're using ironwood. Ironwood is good for the outside.
And one thing I do really want to emphasise is having windows, especially in the front here with the living is, big windows to let as much light in as we can in the morning.
So today I'm at the Mr. Brodie land. We are doing the measurement for their land with the owner and the neighbor to make sure the boundary is exactly the same as the drawing. So we're going to check with the neighbor right now. So let's see the progress today. It's kind of difficult because we doesn't have the point right now at the river side, the small river here. We missed the point, the pole here. Usually they have like a concrete. But here, because we already have the owner of the land and also with the neighbor, So we will confirm that before we doing the contract to sign the lease of the land. So we will go to the back area now. We have some small gutter there, like a small river. So we will make sure the line, if it's gonna straight or have some kind of shape that difference with the with the paper in the certificate. It's kind of muddy here. So this is yours and this is them.
From here.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah.
Like, I mean something like this you have to make before you build.
Yeah.
Securing all the perimeter.
Yeah,
Put something like this. We can do that. We can do something like a waterways with the concrete, you know, like a tube. Like a tube. So we distribute the water from there. Yeah. Good boy. We have agreement today. We have cleared the land, and this is gonna be on our YouTube. So today, 16 December, we're going to have a survey with the team here. All the staff is already in the field. We're going to check the land today and have a soil test. The purpose to doing a soil test is to have exactly the deep of the foundation that we're going to put on the soil, on the land. So they're going to do a boring, make a bore on the drill the land to find the hardest surface on the land, on the soil, so we can put the foot foundation there. And this team is from Mr. Jun, from our partner also for the construction, civil engineer. And yeah, let's do the survey today and check how deep we need to go. This is Pak Kadek from Pak Jun team. So Maju Bangun Persada nih. From Maju Bangun Persada, this is the supervisor on the field. So this is their drill equipment. It's quite kind of heavy, and they have put some log on the bottom to make it steady. And they're gonna drill the first point for drilling. The team has got the hard surface for the soil. That's going to be 3.6 until 3.8 in this part on the back of the area. And this is the first point. We're going to do the second point now. So it's already 2 point of drill. First on the back of the side, and the second is on the front area of the side. And we are doing the final drilling at the middle right now. This one different because we're doing manual system without tools. Get another side about the soil test. So everyone, we already have the progress in the field, like the topography, the soil test, and we also has discussed with the client, with Mr. Brodie and his dad about the design. So basically this land, 17 area is going to be divided into 4 areas. We have the first area for his dad, for the villa his dad, and the 3 other area for the typical design. That's going to be the same. It's going to be cells. And yeah, I want to discuss the first design that we provide for the client. So the first land that we're going to design is his dad villa. The area is going to be 345.8 square meter. And it's 2-story. The first story we have 128.1 square meter. The second story we have 150.5 square meter. And we have a massive pool with the bar there. The pool size is 43 square meter. So total of the floor area is 278.9 square meter. And now you can see the design, the image that we have provided and has been agreed by client. Okay, this is the look from the outside. Basically, this building have 3 bedroom. In the first story, they have 1 bedroom, and the 2 other bedroom is gonna be on the second story. The shape of the building is L shape with the orientation of the building into the pool. It's gonna be like this. And in the pool, we have a big bar there also. This is all the design is a reference from the Mr. Brodie's dad. He very like the design that look exclusive and special. Okay, I think that's it for now for the first video of Villa Mr. Brodie at Jalan Bucu, Uma Alas. We're going to see the next progress in the next episode with the contractor and the project and see how the project goes. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in Gauri Art Division Studio channel. See you soon.